Hello and welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling with back pain, joint pain, or constant tiredness? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to create an incredible herbal remedy using simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. This remedy is a natural powerhouse for relieving pain, boosting energy, and improving overall health. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your loved ones. Your support means the world to me and keeps me motivated to share natural, effective remedies with you. Ingredients and benefits. Let's start with the ingredients and their amazing benefits. 1. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve joint pain and stiffness. They're rich in iron, which fights fatigue and boosts energy levels. 2. Carom seeds. Carom seeds is excellent for improving blood circulation, which reduces muscle stiffness and back pain. It's also great for digestion, detoxifying your body from within. 3. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are high in calcium and iron, essential for strong bones and joint health. They improve metabolism and provide long-lasting energy. 4. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds have a cooling effect, which soothes tired muscles and reduces inflammation. They also detoxify your body, leaving you feeling refreshed. 5. Dried ginger powder. Dried ginger powder is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that targets pain and stiffness in joints and muscles. It improves blood flow, reducing back pain and overall fatigue. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds 50 grams, carom seeds 40 grams, cumin seeds 30 grams, fennel seeds 20 grams, dried ginger powder 10 grams. Preparation. Here's how to prepare this herbal remedy. 1. Lightly roast fenugreek, carom seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, dried ginger powder separately until fragrant. 2. Let them cool completely. 3. Grind all the roasted ingredients into a fine powder. 4. Add 10 grams of dried ginger powder and mix well. 5. Store the mixture in an airtight jar to keep it fresh for up to 6 months. How to use morning remedy. Take 1 teaspoon of this powder with lukewarm water every morning on an empty stomach. This will reduce joint and back pain while boosting your energy for the day. Nighttime relief. Mix 1 teaspoon of the powder into a glass of warm milk and drink it before bed. This promotes restful sleep and muscle recovery. Detox tea. Add 1 teaspoon of the powder to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 minutes, strain, and drink. This helps reduce inflammation and detoxifies the body. Who can benefit? This remedy is perfect for anyone dealing with arthritis, joint stiffness, or back pain. It's also ideal for those feeling fatigued or tired after a long day. Storage instructions. Keep the powder in an airtight container away from direct sunlight and moisture. Stored properly, it can stay fresh for up to 6 months without losing its effectiveness. If you found this remedy helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing natural remedies. Your support helps me continue sharing these tried and tested tips with all of you. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another effective remedy. Take care and stay